This video is intended to aid in the training of new controllers and auditors in the TOPCAT auditing system. The training checklist can be downloaded from the link in the comments section of this video, along with the .zip of all the training videos in this playlist. This video focuses on reporting filters. Upon launching TOPCAT, as always, select that your active audit category is selected and access the reports that you wish to run. Your filter bar is across the top of the page, as it always is. The from and the to dates are covered in a tutorial of their own, so is the most recent only. In this tutorial, we are going to be covering the location, audit and miscellaneous filters. The location filters are the most prominent and mostly used. This enables you to limit the reporting based on these properties that are listed here. If you want to report on a particular risk level and only show the audits done for a high risk or a low risk or a medium risk, you can select risk level. You can filter by site if you've got an extremely large campus, by floor if there's a particular reason that you want to see which floor of your hospital is cleanest, department or room. In the audit filters, you can filter by the audit result, so if you only want to see failures or you only want to see passes, you can do that. The audit number, I don't think you're ever going to really use, but you can filter by purely the audit number. The audit type, if you only want to see internal, external or managerial audits. The auditor, if you only want to show audits done by a particular person to compare or benchmark separate auditors and how they see the areas. Audit comments, if there's a particular comment you're looking for within the comment fields. The question result and the question comments. Miscellaneous filters. The handiest one that's in here is honestly the responsibility. If your hospital is using responsibilities, the responsibility is great. If you want to identify only issues that need to be sent to engineering, for example, when you're doing your auditing, you can't see it here right now, but you can actually select that it's an engineering fault. So when you do your reporting, you can actually then send those reports to engineering to get rectified. I will show you quickly applying one of these filters. So if I go location, and what we're going to do is we're only going to show locations for a particular department. So we select department, and we'll say operating theatres, apply filter. You can see that the location button has actually gone red, indicating that we have an active filter, and you can see that the date range is correct as it was before. When we then run our reports, it will only show us the operating theatre audits done between these two date ranges. You can apply multiple filters if you wish to. So we've already applied a departmental for operating suite. If we then want to only show the high risk within that operating suite, we can apply that as well. So when it's still red, showing us that it's got filters within it, and you can see that we're looking at a high risk only, and it's only within operating suite. So the filters within the reporting are very powerful and allows you to get the data that you want straight out of TOPCAT without actually having to go into a word processing document and changing and editing things. This concludes the filters, the reporting filters. You can now tick and sign off on that bullet point in your training checklist.